Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize GCP IAM roles for compute engine administrators. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Log in to your Google Cloud account. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on IAM and Admin. From the drop-down menu, select IAM. Click on the Add button at the top of the page to add a new member. In the New Members field, enter the email address of the user you want to authorize. Next, under Select a Role, click on the drop-down menu. Scroll down to Compute Engine and select the relevant role you want to assign. For Compute Engine administrators, you can select Compute Engine Admin. This role provides full access to all Compute Engine resources. If you need to add multiple members, you can do so in the same New Members field, separating each. Once you have added all members and selected roles, click on the Save button. You will see a confirmation message indicating the changes have been made. To verify the new role assignments, you can return to the IAM page. Look for the new members' email addresses in the list. Check that their designated roles have been correctly assigned. Should you need to modify or remove a role, click on the pencil icon next to the member's email. Make the necessary adjustments and click Save once more. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized GCP IAM roles for Compute Engine administrators. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.